Attention! This is a public safety announcement for the Rensselaer County Child Endangerment Awareness Week. Parents are aware of how difficult it is to keep an eye on their children while doing important tasks such as work, organizing the house, and much more. These children should receive their attention from their parents so they know they love them. Some even rely on toys that keep them entertained, walks on a stroller, or even cartoons playing on television. Caution, your children may be viewing content that may be something not appropriate to children, since you never know what type of content they've seen. They may be viewing content such as violent, sexual, graphic, frightening imagery, or harmful contents. If you hear your infant or child screaming in front of the analog television, wait until your child stops making noise before.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Rensselaer County Police Department. As of now, a total of 7,357 children have gone missing within the following counties: Rensselaer, Schenectady, and Saratoga. There have been reports of mothers hearing fake baby cries and found out they're missing, and eventually took their lives. Many reports of suicide have skyrocketed due to this situation. Reports have also came in that a man on television sets have appeared and mimicking crying noises of an infant, including a distorted music in the background. People have also described this picture as an alternate of American financier Jeffrey Epstein. Deter any vulnerable children from analog television sets or mirrors that can possibly display frightening imagery. More updates will follow as this become available.